Everyone, my name is Amit Goel and today we will talk about MTM. MTM is Microsoft Test Manager. It is a test data management tool provided by Microsoft. With MTM, you can manage your test data effectively and efficiently. In this session, we will talk about below topics and we will cover these topics in detail. So to understand this, first of all, we will have how to create a test plan, how to create a test suite, how to add test cases to a test suite, okay, and then we will have how to assign configurations and how to assign tester. To understand this in detail, we have a test plan, which is the main unit. Under this test plan, we have a test suite. We can have one or more test suites in this. Under each test suite, let's take an example of one particular test suite. In this one test suite, we have multiple test cases. Okay. In these test cases, I can assign multiple configurations. Here, note that I'm not making the copy of the test cases. I'm just assigning the configurations. I'm assigning configuration A and configuration B so that two different testers can execute them simultaneously on different platforms. I will show that in detail. Okay. So here the configuration 1 is assigned to tester A, the configuration 2 is assigned to tester B. So we will see how this works in case of MTM. Here we have this as an MTM tool. Under this we have a testing center. Under testing center, if I click on add, it says add our test plan. I click OK. Okay. Test plan for testing training. Alright. Here I can select any area path and iteration path. This is the default iteration path, so I am choosing this one only. If I click add, it will add this test plan to the list. Okay. I am selecting the same test plan. It has loaded the test plan for testing. Under this test plan, I can create my own suite. For example, I am saying that, okay, test suite number 1, verify commands. Alright. So in this, we will have, I can have one or more test suites in this. Second test suite, I can have test suite number 2. Okay. Verify dashboards. So in this two test suites, I can cover different subjects altogether. I will talk about the verify commands. In this, I can add test cases. If I have the ID with me, I can add individual test cases in this. I can create a new test case in this. I can add a query-based test cases. For example, here it is giving me a query over here. I can, if I have the ID, I will say ID is equals to 45678. If this ID exists, it will allow me to add. Okay, this ID exists. I can add this to my test suite. This send text message schedule. Now, if I have to add more test cases, depending on a particular criteria, suppose title contains endpoint ping. Let's see how many test cases comes. There are 14 test cases. If I select all and add these test cases, so in total I will be having 15 test cases in this suite. So here we have 15 test cases. Now I can assign multiple configurations to these test cases. This is my configuration button at the top. Select all the test cases. Click on the configuration button. It will give you the list of test cases and showing the configurations that are currently assigned to this. If I have to see all the configurations, then I have to click all the configurations button over here. Now I will do select all. If I have to assign same configuration to all the test cases, I can do that at once. Suppose I want to verify these 15 test cases on my browser, Internet Explorer 11 and Mozilla Firefox. So these two test configurations will be provided. I apply. It takes few seconds, it refreshes and then close. So now I am having two configurations. Now if I have to assign testers to these test cases, I can do that in the same fashion. Under here, I can see I have multiple configurations. If I sort with the configuration, I have Internet Explorer 11 as well as Mozilla Firefox. This is my test case title. So, in this case, the test cases are not duplicated. These are just referenced by the configuration. Here, let's suppose I say Internet Explorer 11 is assigned to Amit Goel. Okay, and let's see Mozilla Firefox is assigned to some other tester. Say Ruchi Chaurasia. Save assignments, it says two testers, multiple testers, two configurations. If I have to see whether these configurations and testers are assigned properly or not, I can go to the test tab and verify this. Here, the number of test cases will be doubled because I have assigned two configurations. Here it is 30. Here I can see tester name, Ruchi Chaurasia and Amit Goel. So this is how we assign testers and configurations to a test suite within a test plan. That's all for today. Thank you.